Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop at ang sender natin ay si Rain PH.
Hindi totoo yan.
So ito guys yung ice cubes na silicone.
Pwede na!
So titingnan natin guys kung legit seller o hindi ah. Yes guys, legit seller. So ito yung ice cubes. Lagyan na ng ice cubes. So meron siyang 15 blocks. So may takip siya guys. At ito guys yung silicone na tutupi.
Hindi, wow.
Meron siyang 15 blocks. So legit seller guys. Thank you for watching.